Ghana yes you because yeah you are in the comedy space, skit making, you make people happy. Yeah. For you is a money how.
That will help.
Money problems. So we'll come to you. How are you managing that as a skit maker, producer, an actor? But let me find out from Kwame as well. Kwame, your food content goes viral.
Yeah.
I've seen people instead of saving money, they will spend the money and say, "Chawanu, na fufosika and thought wakra." Do you regret that statement?
No, I don't. I don't. Any day I will defend it.
You have brewed a lot of irresponsible people.
Now, Giovanni, I come to now Boroless. Are you okay? Boroless now come to you got on for the answer. And let our watch need the humble. But unim time now come to wa.
I no cry, they wouldn't say any pass who I when they were funny.
I no pet.
When you know you beg
out. Udaya no commission. Already. Yeah. But to say your customers when I may buy a pussy. What life did you live on earth? This was a crantier senior punchy. Again.
This is my son. Wow. No, but food tourism and our content creation around food is a big deal.
Yeah.
A lot of people love it because we all eat.
Food has given me money more than any other thing I've touched.
What?
On this planet. Eating food, just eating food.
No way.
Has given me money more than in the university I go. All them things no give me money.
Food.
I'm telling you.
Who did he
just eating food.
No. Who did deny it?
My biggest paycheck was just to take money and eat.
No. Wow. And you don't want to eat. You have got to buy trainer. Where's trainer? You have to say butterfly. Just while I'm cash.
Giovanni, uni bibi. Chroma say we bibi a. Ebe nye ni pebe bu abem.
Ampa.
Bebre. O start bibi a be start there. You be wa. One day we attach to say. O say obu abem nko. But I say so massa abem bu no eko trim. Because my first video am here na me didi. Yeah. Satan also be so pretty say. We do social media. Say what dream for.
Omo ye collage.
Yeah. Omo di. No be kofa. I'm like I know what I'm doing. We eat every day.
Yes.
Why can't we eat on social media?
That's right.
Let me say what you say. Say so be a better advert. Never aduane ho a. Or you hear me?
Ampa. Didi! Come to go to Dizzy!
The role model, no. Yeah, I'm Shannon, or the demon me feeling.
Honorable.
And I say, not on the diqua, or the dinner free.
Content, a whole your seasons what to be three.
So I am for the be a dinner, it is alcohol. Maybe you did a crash at home.
But you only have the idea. Do you cook?
I am not a very good cook, but I come to the media make a can't see any. Yeah, I am that type. Instead of you, once a baby free no, my mother did not help me on that side. Yeah, me family.
You go to the farm.
Go take the nine to a DD or go do something else. Fufu ba be work. But cook kitchen because Bema the police say usot tapoli will be fear taboo as a man. Growing up from my village,
yes,
you can't even hold tapoli.
It's true.
Bema usot tapoli mu. But any man yana mwayen. Che at the end of question ke udi kan suan question was suan bia because you eat 3 times a day.
True.
How can you tell me you don't know how to cook the food?
Who should cook for you?
It means manu me ho pa, but encourage. They say no, say na metimi enyi yan na me ko university question na me so say mani, na metimi sua aduane no a. Ti pe cook bi o ye good, na me de me ho aboro.
Oh, metro.
Yeah.
Metro. What are friends for metro? Oh, say jollof no first no. A lot of people don't know this secret. But when you jollof, first no. For a mono first. A lot of people don't know that before the tomatoes, you need to put what? Kerosene.
Yeah. I am 20 anyway. No, where you running stomach for maybe I'm
now, at some point, sound him cement. Okay.
What do you call it, Jollof? Well, I'm a copy, you know.
Cement.